For our first animation, we are going to make a ball bounce. And to do this, I'm going to use the ellipse tool, which looks like a circle. And I've set my color to black. If you click on that, you can set your color to any color of your choice. The first circle is your fill. The second circle is your outline. I have set both of mine to black, so I have a black circle with a black outline. I'm going to go up to the top of the corner and I'm going to click and drag to make a circle. This is going to be my first frame of the animation. I drew my circle up top. I did not make it too big. I am now going to use copy and paste to make the second frame the exact same way. I am going to click this frame so that it's highlighted in blue and hit copy. And now I'm going to click this frame and hit paste. It puts a circle in exactly the same place. So when I go from frame to frame, it doesn't look like anything has changed. Now that I am in frame 2, I'm going to click on the cursor and move it down a little bit. If I want to be able to see where my first frame was, I can put on something called onion skinning, and I can see a ghost image of the previous frame. So this gray is a ghost image of the first frame. And now this gray is the ghost image of the second frame. If this bothers you, you can always turn onion skinning on and off. I'm going to go through this process again. I'm going to take this frame, copy this frame, paste. And now I'm going to use my cursor to move it. If I want to see where the previous one was so that I can choose how much I want it to move, I can. I'm going to do this a couple times again, but instead of using the copy paste, I'm going to use the Control C and Control V keys. So here's how it will look for me. Click the frame, Control C, new frame, Control V, and move. Click the frame, Control C, new frame, Control V, and move. Click the frame, Control C, new frame, Control V, and move. Click the frame, Control C, new frame, Control V, and move. I'm going to start to make it bounce back up. When I press play, I'll see the animation of it dropping down. And you can see how it's playing through each frame. This is just to get us started. What I would like for us to do is make a ball bounce on one side of the screen. Then we'll talk about how to slow it down and what tricks we can do with it. But right now we're just working on making a ball bounce. Don't forget to ask me questions. A reminder, you are going to do these things. Use the ellipse tool, copy frame, new frame, paste frame. And you are going to make a circle drop down.